Sige. So a day meant to shine the spotlight on all of you, our beloved Barangay Nutrition Scholars, and you deserve nothing less than celebration, gratitude, and honor. Because you are all special. Not only to me, but to the governor of the province of Iloilo, to the vice governor, and all the mayors, and of course, the community where you are at. You are special because you choose to serve even when no one is watching. Tama na? You are special because you carry the weight of your community's health with grace and courage. You are special because every child you weigh, every mother you guide, every family you comfort becomes stronger because of you. You are the champions of nutrition. You are the voice of compassion in every barangay. Kapati ka mo? Yes! You are the steady, patient, and loving presence that families rely on. And today, we pause to say, Pidinoy, Dr. Wendell, tungan kinatanan, we pause to say, thank you. Thank you for the early mornings and long walks. Thank you for the patience, the heart, and the countless small acts of care that no one else sees. Thank you for choosing to stay, to serve, and to give your best even in the toughest times. You may not wear a uniform, but today you are wearing your beautiful t-shirts, no, which identify all of you, and perno pa sa amo ni Doc Jen Nabayo, kag sa sash ko, no? But you are true frontliners. You may not hold a title, but you are leaders. You may not seek recognition, but today you deserve all of it. This day is special because you are special. And Iloilo is blessed, truly blessed, to have BNSS who serve not only with skill, but with heart. May this celebration remind you of your worth. May it refill